shit up. I'm not fucking kidding. My cat just brought a bird in the house. Like it's alive. It's blinking, y'all. A whole motherfucking bird. She just brought a whole bird in the house. Oh, shit! And I just let it go. It's up there somewhere. Ah, shit. Okay. Finally caught the bird. Didn't take as long as I thought. Yay. The cats didn't help. I mean, they tried, but I didn't want them to kill it. It got caught up on the door in some pajamas. So I'm going to leave it in pajamas and take it and put it back outside where it's supposed to be. So yay, caught the bird. No thanks to these two.
Okay. Bye-bye, birdie. You ready to go bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye. What the fuck? Now you don't want to fly. Hello? You are free to... Did I break you? I ain't break. Oh, good. He not broke. He gone.